Dear friends, I'm going to demonstrate you a speech recognition software called Dragon Naturally Speaking. Dragon Naturally Speaking is the speech recognition software which is specially developed for people who want to use computing by the way mode of speech. In a sense, you just talk to the PC and the software types for you. So it sounds great, it sounds that easy. Yes, when I demonstrate you the speech recognition software, you would actually realize that it's as easy as you hear right now. Okay, now let me speak about speech recognition to you. Speech recognition is a solution wherein you talk to the PC and the software types everything for you. So you're not typing anymore, you're dictating your thoughts to the PC and whatever you speak get transcribed on the computer screen. You can launch application by your voice, you can compose emails, you can compose letters, and goodbye to the tantrums of your, old stenographer. You can do everything what you actually do with the fingertips can be done by a voice. Okay, now let me explain you a little bit about Dragon Naturally Speaking as well. When I say Dragon Naturally Speaking, I would say it's the only solution which has Indian edition. That means it understands Indian accent. So people like you and me can use it. Doesn't matter what kind of an accent we have, north, south, east, west. It just takes 7 minutes for the software to get accustomed to the way you talk. You can use it on your favorite applications like Word, Excel, Outlook, Outlook Express, Lotus Notes, internet-based emails like Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo, and just about anything and everything. So, are you excited? Well, I am. So, welcome aboard. Let me take you to the world of Dragon Naturally Speaking. Listen to me. Start Microsoft Word. Maximize window. Welcome to the world of Dragon Naturally Speaking. Full stop. New paragraph. Dragon Naturally Speaking is the world's best continuous speech recognition software, comma, which transcribes your spoken words into text on a computer screen. Full stop. New paragraph. Speak up to 160 words per minute and more. Your speech will automatically get transcribed on the computer screen. Full stop. Go back. Now I'm going to show you a few additional features of Dragon Naturally Speaking on applications like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Outlook. I'm also going to show you how to format a document, create tables, etc. Select Dragon. Select again. Bold that. Select Software. Underline that. Select all. Set size 25. Center that. Italicize that. Justify that. Make it 2 columns. Double space that. Undo that. Undo that. Select world's best. Color it blue. Select spoken. Set for courier. Select 160, 190. Select computer. Delete that. Select all. Copy that. Create new document. Paste that. Go to bottom. Create new document. Create a 4x6 table. Name. Move right 1. Particulars. Move right 1. Amount. Move down 1. 1500. Move down 1. 1500. Move down 1. 1500. Move down 1. 36895078396175361985031016. Save document. Test file. Save. Print document. Cancel. Click close. No. Click close. No. Start Microsoft Excel. 1 to 20 down. 36950. Move down 1. Sum up the above numbers. Move to cell G8. Sunday to Saturday across. January to December down. January to December down. Click close. No. Start Microsoft Outlook. File. New. Mail message. Icons at sign-icons.net.in. Go to subject field. Demonstration of Dragon. Go to body field. Dear sir, comma, new line. I'm sorry to inform you that I'll be too late to meet you at 2 p.m. Full stop. Select B 2 p.m. Bold that. Set size 15. Unselect that. Stop listening. By the way, stop listening is a command where the software temporarily goes to sleep. So you can talk to somebody else. But say if there's a phone call which you have to take while dictation, so you say stop listening, and when you want to resume your dictation, you say listen to me. As you saw in my demonstration, I spoke a very tricky thing as I'll be too late to meet you at 2 p.m. If you speak in context, the software understands what you mean. Finally, I'm going to demonstrate you the last feature of the software. That's called the macros. Macros, as we all know, is a shortcut to a longer process. You can create voice macros using Dragon Naturally Speaking. Example, listen to me. Start Microsoft Word. Maximize window. Insert system requirement. Create new document. Insert thanking note. Stop listening.
बहुत टाइम हो गया